Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. I'm here today in the largest area in the world for growing ornamental plants to get the best quality, best plants available, the newest breeding. Pierre here is one of our top suppliers. He's been doing it for many years, lots of experience in bringing us the best plants, new varieties, all things like that. Now, one of our top sellers, you wouldn't think it, is Photinia. It's a universally popular garden plant, has been for generations. Everyone knows a traditional variety called Red Robin, but we've got this new kid on the block here called Carre Rouge, which is now taken over as our best seller. And there's a few good reasons for that. So, do you want to tell us why?
Yeah, it's a red all year, almost all year. The normal Red Robin, it goes into green and then red again, and this one is red all year. And it's more compact. The habitat is more smaller than the Red Robin. And you can have it for smaller solitaires, for bowls, and even small hedging. It's really a nice one.
Yeah, so in summary, this gets bigger, better for a bigger garden. This is more compact, easier to keep maintained in a smaller urban environment perhaps. Or if you want it for hedging, ideal. More red colour all year round, easier to look after, more compact, neater, tidier growth. Overall, it's just a better plant. This one has been taken, bred and improved to make Carre Rouge, which is why this is now our best-selling Photinia in the market.